In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unhide a column in Smartsheet. Sometimes when you're working in a Smartsheet, a column gets hidden, either by you or by someone else sharing the sheet. That can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to track down missing data or a specific field. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a quick and reliable way to reveal any hidden columns so you can see all the information in your sheet again. First, make sure you're in the grid view of your Smartsheet, since that's where columns and their headers are clearly visible. Once your sheet is open, move your mouse up to the column headers at the top of the sheet. These are the labels like task name, start date, or whatever columns your sheet is using. Now, look for the 3 vertical dots next to a column header, or simply choose a column header and right-click on it. Both actions open the same column options menu. It doesn't matter which visible column you use for this, you're just using that header as an access point to the menu where hidden columns can be managed. When the menu appears, you'll see several options for working with that column, such as inserting, deleting, or renaming. What you're looking for here is the option to manage hidden columns. In this case, select the option labeled Unhide All Column or Unhide All Columns, depending on how it appears in your version of Smartsheet. Clicking this option will instantly reveal all columns that were previously hidden on that sheet. You might see new columns appear to the left or right of your current view, so it can be helpful to scroll horizontally across the sheet to review what's now visible. This is especially useful if multiple columns were hidden and you're not sure which ones were missing. If you only needed one specific column and don't want the others shown, you can always hide the extras again afterward by opening that same menu on the column header and choosing the hide option for individual columns. And that's all there is to it. By opening the column menu using the 3 dots or a right click, then selecting Unhide All Column, you can quickly bring back any hidden data in your Smartsheet and continue working with a complete view of your information.